Welcome to this episode of Innovia Tips and Tricks. Today we'll see how you can ensure that you don't miss important content published in the 3DSwym communities that are important for you. Most often, when you are part of several active 3DSwym communities, you may see that your 3DSwym Watch New feed is flooded with posts and other type of content. It is very likely that you may miss important posts in these cases. This may also happen when you open 3DSwym after returning from vacation. Today, we'll see how you can ensure that you don't miss important content by using a couple of tricks. One of the easiest thing you can do is mark the important communities as favorites so that they appear at the top of communities panel. This way, you can easily access these communities and also content posted in them. You can also just drag and drop such important communities in the favorite section. If required, you can arrange the order of communities based on your convenience. Second thing you can do is ensure that notifications are turned on for the 3DSwym app and especially for the new content published. By default, these checkboxes are selected, but you can review them by visiting the notification center. Once this is done, you can go to your target community and through the community setting, enable the subscription for the new content published. This ensures that you get notified whenever new content is published in the community. You'll also get an email if the 3DSwym email notifications are turned on. For example, you can see Sarah just received a notification that a new content is published through which she can easily navigate to that post. Thank you.